Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Soundcloud Manager software to increase the plays on all your tracks. Firstly, what we will need to do is scrape some public proxies which we will use to increase the plays, and you simply click the scrape button here. The program will go off and check a few URLs on the internet, and it will find some proxies. As you can see here, we have found 1980 proxies. The program has the ability to show you the countries of these machines. As you can see, most of the world is represented, and we can order it as such. If you would like to filter out certain countries, you can use the filter out button, and if you would like to filter in certain countries, which means only those countries will be represented in the proxies list, you can use the filter in button. But we're going to leave it as it is to have as many proxies as possible, close to 2000. Now, to increase all your tracks, what you would need to do is have your profile name, and this is a profile I have searched at random under the genre dubstep. I don't know who this guy is or have any affiliation with him, so I hope he doesn't mind having some extra plays. You'll put the profile URL in here, where it says enter the artist URL or name, and click Save List. The program will go to this profile and scrape all the tracks the user has. Depending on your connection, this should take just a few seconds. As we can see, 5 tracks have been scraped. The list of tracks will be added directly to your clipboard, which means we can paste it directly in here. For the observant of you, it says enter track page URL. This would allow you to enter a single track URL to increase just that one track statistics. If you enter a text file, the path to a file, which I'm now going to quickly load up here, you can see we've got 5 tracks here. So this text file contains 5 tracks URLs from this user. We can set the maximum amount of plays you want to give this user per track, so I will give them 100 plays per track and a number of threads. Then we just click stream, which is a play, or you can download. So we click. The program will then go to the track URLs to extract the media URL, which is a URL which will actually be used to pull the track. So we come here, and they are the 5 tracks which we will increase. So we can double click on a processing item, and here you'll see the threads starting up to increase the statistics, and you will see that some of the proxies are failing and some are being successful. So 3 have processed successfully, now 4. That proxy would have timed out, so on and so forth. Now we just let this process run, and the statistics will be increasing. One trick we can do, which is quite useful to know, if you go to your log files, under the help logs view button, order by date, you can see a file here which is log.today's date, then proxy success. Here is a list of all proxies which have been used successfully to increase the track play. This should update in real time, so as more tracks are successful, we should see more proxies added. Once you have completed a few processes, this successful proxy list should start growing to be quite substantial. 100, 500, 1000 working proxies big. What you can do is, if you want to have the best working proxy list of known working proxies, in your proxy control you can browse directly to this file. which is in your app data file. And we can find as such. Oh, help if I entered the path correctly. So, where are we? Logs, proxy success. And here I've loaded in a known list of 25 working proxies. As I said, once all these processes have completed, the number of known working proxies will be substantially greater. And that's how you can increase all your tracks using the Soundcloud Manager software quickly, easily, and effectively. If you have any more questions regarding this or would like to discuss techniques or other ways to increase tracks, please go to the forum on rootjazz.com/forum. Thank you very much for your time.